Okay, today we come to the new challenges with Python. This is the part 3 in this series, and today we do some exercise about tuple and set in Python. Okay, now we go to the first exercise. Use the correct syntax to print the first item in the root tuple. So maybe first item. Yes, exactly. Come to the exercise 2. Use the correct syntax to print the number of items in the push tuple. Syntax, the number of items, maybe we need to show the length of this tuple. So we have length root, maybe. Yes, exactly. Now the exercise 3. Use the negative indexing to bring the last item in the tuple. Yes, notice here is negative indexing. Negative indexing that mean it's a cherry, and you must type in post. Yeah, exactly. Now we come to the last exercise in the tuple. Use the rise up index to bring third, fourth, and fifth item in the tuple. Maybe this to fifth, maybe 2.5. Yes, exactly. And now we come to the set exercise. We have total 5 exercise in with the set function. Now we come to the exercise 1. Check if the apple A present a root set. If apple A present set. Oh, what problem here is I haven't know how to solve this exercise. Wait a minute. Just if apple A present in root set. Okay, maybe you must fill here. If the apple in. Yeah, exactly. Exercise 2. Use the method to the XORing to the preset. Yeah, maybe method to the XORing to the put. Maybe put lost at okay, orange. Yes, maybe is it right? Yes, it's not right. Come to exercise 3. Use the correct method to add multi-item more push to the root. More push to the root. Maybe you already the problem. You must connect to to set right. Yeah, more push. Maybe root be here, but just I need some help from the next comment. So wait a minute. Sometimes we can remember some problems, so we must read. So we must read several times. Yes, wait a minute. John to set. Yeah, maybe we need to use update. Maybe put those update more root. Yeah. Yes, exactly. Not so easy. And now we come to exercise 4. Use remove methods to remove banana in the process. Maybe it's easy problem. I think so. Not remove banana. Yes, exactly. And now we go to the last exercise. Exercise 5. Use the discard method to remove banana process. Maybe the same with the exercise 4. We just need to replace remove to become those discard. Yeah, sorry, banana. No. Yes, maybe it's right. Yes, it's certainly. Yeah, so we have to just do some exercise about tuple and set. Yeah, as the previous part, we just do exercise about list. You can see the last video to see more in the detail about list. Yeah, we afterward we come to the dictionary exercise. Yes, I think I choose some function, some feature to make dictionary. Yes, the very important background. Yeah, thank you very much, and see you in the next part. If you see video helpful you, you can like and subscribe. To receive more videos from my channel. Thank you very much.